Hi, dear student, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bausaheb Dabhade, your geography teacher. So, dear student, today we discuss about geography chapter number 3B, water bodies, lakes and rivers. First, we learn lake. Lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. There are millions of lakes in the world. They are found on every continent and in every kind of environment, in mountains and deserts, on plain and near seashores. Lake also vary greatly in depth. The world's deepest lake is Lake Baikal in Russia. Lakes are formed due to the tectonic, depositional, or volcanic activity. Lakes are the major source of fresh water. Lakes are important in preserving wildlife. They survive as migration, stop, and breeding grounds for many birds and as habitat for a wide variety of other animals. They provide homes for a diversity of organisms from microscopic plants and animals to fish that may weigh hundreds of kilometers. Farmers use lake water to irrigation crop. Artificial lakes are used to store water for times of drought. Lakes formed by dams also providing hydroelectric energy. Classification of lakes based on their formation: tectonic lake, volcanic lake, glacial lake, karst lake, salt lake, oxbow lakes. This is the formation and types of classification in the lakes. So today we discuss the first lake, Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal situated in southeast Siberia. Lake Baikal is the oldest, 25 million years, the deepest 1700-meter lake in the world. It contains nearly 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater reserve. The lake is known for an outstanding variety of endemic flora and fauna, which is of expeditional value to evolutionary science. It is also surrounded by system of protected area that have high scenes and other natural values. Second number lake, Lake Onega. Lake Onega, located in the northwestern part of Russia, is the second largest lake of Europe. The lake is connected with the Baltic and White Seas by the world. Third number lake, the Lake Titicaca. Lake Titicaca is located in the Andes between Bolivia and Peru. The lake is said to be the cradle of Peru's ancient civilization. It is situated at the height of more than 12,000 feet above the sea level. Lake Titicaca and its watershed support thousands of indigenous communities. It provides fresh water and economic support for the fishing, irrigation, agriculture, and tourism industry. One more important thing, dear student, Titicaca is the largest lake of South America. Number 4, Great Lakes of North America. The Great Lakes chain of deep freshwater lakes compress Superior, Huron, Michigan, Ontario, and Erie. These are the 5 important lakes. All the 5 lakes together make up the largest body of fresh water on the earth. The accounting for 1/5 of the freshwater surface on the planet. Navigation system in the world, the extending 3,700 kilometers into the North American, the heartland. The Great Lakes are used to supply drinking water to millions of people in the bordering area. These are the very important lakes. Next point, 5 number lake, Lake Victoria, the regarded as the Africa's largest tropical lake. It is also the boasted as the second largest freshwater lake in the world and the headwater reservoir of the popular Nile River. Dear student, Nile River is the biggest river in the world and Lake Victoria located the bank of near the Nile River. The lake basin supports about 40 million people. The water originating from the lake provide hydropower. So dear student, hydroelectricity means hydroelectric power generation, irrigation, agriculture, industrialization and tourism industry much more developed in near the Lake Victoria. Next lake, Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is the largest lagoon in Asia. It's situated on the east coast of India in Odisha. इंडिया में है चिल्का लेक, हमारे इंडिया में है. चिल्का लेक इज लोकेटेड इन ओडिशा स्टेट इन इंडिया. द लेक प्रोवाइड अ लाइवहुड फॉर ओवर 0.15 million the fresh oak. So dear student, Oxbow Lake, Salt Lake, this is a types of lakes. Chilka Lake is located in India and it is the largest the wintering ground for the migratory birds. The migratory birds arrive in October from far away in Siberia, Iran, Iraq and the Himalaya. Generally stay until March. हमारे इंडिया में जो चिल्का लेक है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे माइग्रेटरी बर्ड आते हैं, मतलब स्थलांतरित पक्षी, वो हमारे इंडिया में चिल्का लेक में आते हैं. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट एंड मेजर important lake in the world. So my dear student, I once again tell you, lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. Okay, water body means lake, fresh water body means lake. These lakes water used for the variety, for example agriculture, then irrigation facility, drinking purpose, development of industry, fishing industry and the tourism industry. These overall the economic activity depend on the lakes. There are much more lake located in the world. Today we discuss Lake Baikal, Lake Omega, Lake Titicaca, the great 5 lakes of North America, Lake Victoria and Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake located in India. So next part, rivers, we will discuss in next video. Thank you.